This video covers what is more of a walk than a scramble up Greenfield Brook, grade 0.5 at most, with a few deep pools, a couple of very small clambers. Greenfield Brook lies to the east of and flows into Greenfield Reservoir under Saddleworth Moor. Fuller details of parking and routes and grading are given in the text description underneath the video.
This is Greenfield Reservoir, and if I pan around, this is the start to Greenfield Brook. Unfortunately, fallen at the first hurdle here. The little waterfall here is just too smooth and way too slippery to get up, so got to go around it. Just above that little waterfall, quite a large, if rather silty, swim pool that then narrows into the brook. It's pretty, but all you're doing here is just walking along a stream. The stream next moves along to a gentle series of cascades. The brook is quite overgrown in places, and here's a typical example. Sometimes so overgrown you have to get out and go round. It's mainly walking, but there are a few little cascades to clamber up. More step up and step up as you come to the crossing point of the little bridge on the main path. Just above the bridge there's a nice deep pool. You can get out of your depths in the middle of it, leading up to an easy cascade. Here's another pretty easy cascade, but ascended from a fairly deep pool. The end of the brook, you can see the bridge there, which marks the start of Holme Clough going that way and Birchen Clough going that way. It's now in sight and looks to be mainly just walking from here. This is definitely the end of Greenfield Brook, because there's definitely no way you're going to fit through those two little tubes just up there. Last bit was a few moderately deep bits, a little bit of tiny scrambling, but nothing more than that. In terms of grading, Greenfield Brook is 0.5 at most. It's somewhat overgrown in places, and it involves quite a lot of walking. It's taken me quite well over an hour to get from the reservoir up to the bridge here. But on the other hand, there's some quite deep pools, some moderate scrambles, and overall I'd pigeonhole it as something that, if you wanted to take a kid on an introduction to clough scrambling, then this might be quite a good starting point.